Are you looking for the best space heater for a garage? We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and grab that Mike Vance knife right there so we can open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside here. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys looking at that help for me right there. So first of all, you're gonna have your instructions right there on the top. We'll get to that in just a minute. And then on the inside here is your heater. All right. So this has a nice metal body to it right here. A little bit of assembly. They want you to put the handle on the top right here. And then you also have a nice long cord here as well, which we'll get to that here in just a minute. Warning, risk of heat stroke, hyperthermia. Okay, so remove before use. Let's go ahead and remove that. Comes off very easily, just like that. Is there one on this side? Nope, we're good there, we're good there. All right, first of all, I like the look of this thing. Just a simple square body right out from here. You have the fins along the back right there to allow the airflow to come through. And this is a fan-forced heat too, so there's a fan in there that's gonna blow the heat from the heating elements on there, which is awesome. And you can decide if you wanna turn that to off, fan or low or high right there, which is super cool. And then on the bottom here you have your dial for how much heat it's going to put out, how hot those coils are going to get. So let's go ahead and plug this bad boy on in and see what we got right here. From what I saw in the box, it was like 1500 watts or something like that, so it should be nice and warm once you get this thing powered up and going. Let's see, as far as this cord is concerned, let's take a quick look at that. Oh, that's a nice 6-foot cord right there. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and plug this on in right here, and let's see what we got. Okay. So first of all, turn on the fan. If you just want to have it used as a fan, I guess you could just leave your thermostat all the way down, keep it on the minimum. It actually has a little snowflake down there to let you know that it is on the cool setting. As far as blowing, it's like a slight breeze coming out of there, which is nice, and that's just with the fan on. And I can put it on low, and then there's high right there. I can already feel some of the heat coming out from there as well, which is nice. So if you do have it on the high setting, it's going to really start pushing that out. And of course you can crank it up if you want to, and that's going to really let it come out. Yeah, I can feel that heat. Wow, that's getting warm. So if I were to just sit here, man, it's like a electric fire right in front of your face. That feels nice. It feels very nice. And what I like about this too, the boxy design on the bottom here, it just has 4 simple feet right there. So you can easily stand this up wherever you want. As you noticed, whenever I picked it up too, it has a safety in there to where it automatically cuts off if it's being moved around, which is super cool. All right, while we're letting that get all nice and heated up, let me go ahead and install our handle on here as well so we can take a look at that. Now, one thing I want to do with this is do an exact measurement with you guys, because whenever you're having this thing out and you need to move it around, you may have gloves on and you want to make sure that your fingers can get into there with the gloves. So from the edge of the bottom part right here, not including the screw, to the other edge, you're looking at 6.5 inches right there. So that's a good amount of space to be able to get your fingers in. And I believe you're gonna have enough for some gloves as well, because you've got a depth here of a good 1.5 inches, maybe 1.25 inches, I'd call it, somewhere around there, which is awesome. Now, as far as getting this thing up onto there, it's just 2 simple screws that you're gonna screw into the top, so it's gonna be very easy to do. Pop that right on into there. Whoop. If I can get that one right on in. There we go. So I'm going to get my screwdriver now, and we'll just simply screw this one on in just like that. Alrighty, and then now let me grab my other one right here. do it on the other side as well. Make them nice and tight so it doesn't wiggle. And then there you go. Now you have a nice handle on there. You can easily, look, it's not even a knuckle, can y'all see that? It's not even a knuckle buster for me. See, I got a little bit of extra room right there to be able to easily carry this thing around, which is awesome. Let's see, let me check out our heat. Oh man, that feels nice. Feels like a super cold day and you needed to warm up. Put this thing on to max, put it on high, and just let that fan blow that heat onto you. It feels really, really good. So, and again, you can turn it down if you want to, if you don't want it to be as powerful. Or if you want to just put it onto fan mode, you can turn it on to fan mode. And then, of course, you just simply shut it off. There's a little power indicator right here to let you know if it's on or off. I was going to turn on the lights, but it affects the power on that socket right there. But if y'all are looking for an excellent space heater for your garage, y'all definitely need to go and check out this one right here. This thing looks fantastic. Hey, y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, definitely appreciate you guys looking up that helpful for me right there. Y'all go ahead and add this to your cart if this is something that you want. Oh, I wanted to go over a little bit of the user's manual with you guys just to kind of show you guys what we have in here. So it looks like you have like a quad fold right here of pamphlets. I'll just kind of go through. That's your opening right there. You got your important instructions continued, your technical specs, your assembly, which is basically the handle, and you have your operation instructions right there with every bit about the controls. Then on the back side, you're going to have your operation instructions continued right there, your auto safety shutoff and instant power protection, care and maintenance, the storage, and then troubleshooting guide right there. So if y'all are looking for a great little space heater, y'all definitely need to go and check out this one right here. Hey, y'all let me know if this was helpful. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I could show this thing off to y'all. And Dad out.